ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ॐ शांति शांति शांतिः। बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की जय। जय माँ everybody. Today I am making lasagna. I know that everybody knows how to make lasagna, but I am making it with bread, not lasagna sheets. So let's see how it turns out. I'm trying. So we'll go ahead and do all that. And let's begin. What I'm planning to do is first make the sauces, like the red sauce, the white sauce, the vegetables, and then how to do the bread. That I'll show you. And then we just assemble and bake it in the oven. Now supposing people don't have an oven, you can do it in a कढ़ाई. क्या करते हैं लोग कि कढ़ाई लेते हैं, उसमें बहुत सारा salt डालते हैं. Then you put a kind of a ring so that your baking tray sits on the ring. And then you cover it with a lid. But you need a big कढ़ाई if you have a big tray. I don't do it in the कढ़ाई, I do it in the oven. But in case you don't have an oven, you can do it that way. And you can do it in the cooker also, provided your vessel is cooker safe. Whatever you are using, the tray should be cooker safe. So you can do it in the cooker. Only thing that you won't get is a brown crust on top, because if you do it on the gas, but it's possible in the cooker as well as the kadai. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, now first we'll make the red sauce. First you have to blanch the tomatoes, which I've taken 3 tomatoes, blanched and done a puree. Okay, so this is the 3 tomato puree. Then you take olive oil or any oil that you have. I'm just showing you how to do it. Little bit of olive oil I've taken. Let it heat a little bit. Once it gets heated, you put in a lot of ginger. In the sauce. Okay. Then you put in, this is mixed celery and capsicum, which I have chopped and kept. Okay. So throw that in. Let it cook nicely. Stir. Then you throw in all the goodies. This is chili flakes. Chili flakes. Put your flame on slow. This is mixed herbs. Like a pizza masala also you can take. Okay. This is that. So throw that in. Then take pepper. Throw that in. Then salt. Not too much, because salt will come everywhere. Once we make the white sauce and the vegetables and all that. Then sugar. Mix. Then this is basil and oregano, fresh. So throw that in. And this is basil. Tulsi ka patta. It's not really tulsi, it's basil. And oregano. So it tastes very good, with all the herbs. And take some dried oregano also. Throw that in. Mix. Then throw in tomato puree. And this is tomato water which we've kept, where we blanched it. So throw that also. And now put the flame on high and let it cook. Now we have switched on the gas and we are making the vegetables. And the tomato puree is being cooked, and I think it's cooked because the oil has separated. So we'll switch off that gas and then I'll show you later. Now olive oil again for the veggies, for the lasagna, right? So the oil will get heated. Then again you throw in ginger, throw in celery, दो तीन डंडी ली है मैंने सेलेरी की. सौते, now I have taken suva bhaji and parsley in this. Okay, so I'm throwing in all that in this, in the vegetables that we are cooking. Then again take chili flakes, in the veggies. Take that pizza masala, it smells very good. Little sugar, pepper, oregano. See, and mix, stir, then put salt, then these are all the veggies. This is corn which I haven't boiled, mushroom that I haven't cooked, and capsicum is right underneath. So throw all the veggies. See, cook. It's on high flame now and cook. Mushrooms and corn and all don't take long to cook. It takes, and then again we are going to bake it, you see. So baking में वैसे ही cook हो जाएगा. We'll bake it in the oven for say half an hour. So we'll keep first all the sauces and the vegetables and everything ready. And we have to grate cheese. So I have taken 2 cheeses. One is processed cheese and one is mozzarella. So just we'll grate it and mix the two. And the interesting part is it's made with bread. So you have to get fresh bread and then cut the edges, and जो बेलन होता है ना, रोलिंग पिन, उससे ऐसे ऐसे करके उसको फ्लैट कर देना है, like thin, you know. And then I'll show you how to do it further. And then I've chopped 1 tomato. Remove all the seeds and everything and throw that in. You can take any vegetable. You can take carrots also if you want. I haven't taken. And cook. Now see, the red sauce is done. It's nice and thick. And the veggies are done. So now we'll start making the white sauce. Okay, now switch on the gas and again put olive oil. We are making the white sauce. We have to put oil because the butter will burn otherwise. So putting the gas on slow so that it doesn't burn. And then take your butter, like 2 tablespoons. Now flame on high. तो जल्दी निकलेगा. It's little thick. Okay, then let it heat. Then throw in corn flour. Again on slow. I'm taking 1, 2, heaping 3 teaspoons. Okay, the first one was not heaping, so I'm taking a little extra there. And mix it nicely. You can take all-purpose flour also. I prefer corn flour. Maida, you can take maida also. Quickly stir. Then take milk. See, the corn flour is cooking. Throw in milk as much as you need. Like 1 cup is enough, I think. Flame on high. Stir. Then I'll throw in cheese. 2 cheese slices, anything you can take. Mine is Britannia. You can take anything. Let it cook. We need some more milk. It's already becoming very thick. We do need a thick sauce, but not so thick. The flame is on slow. Two cheese slices I'm throwing. Okay. So this is done. See, everything has melted, the corn flour has melted, and it's a lovely sauce. Now you switch off the gas and put a little salt and pepper. We've already got a little bit of salt because of the cheese. So a little bit of salt, not much. And pepper. That's it. And our white sauce is ready. Okay, now we finished all the vegetables and sauces and everything is ready. This is my staff, one of my other staff called Vanita. So she is going to be cutting the bread and showing you how to do it. So let's begin the cutting of the bread. Chalu. Chalu. This is how you cut the edges. Just पतला edges. पूरा पाव नहीं काटना है, एकदम बारीक बारीक काटो. हाँ, अभी इसको लाटो, उसको बेलो पहले. This you have to take a rolling pin and जोर से उसको बेलना है, एकदम like a roti, बस पतला होना चाहिए. हाँ, और यहाँ रख दो. अब दूसरा करो, पतला पतला काटना है. This is how you do all. I've taken 8 pieces of bread because in the tray, that is my tray over there, which I'll show you when we assemble. So in the tray, I don't think it will be more than 8 that we require, depending on how big your tray is. If it is very big, then of course you have to take more. It's like a sandwich. अगर नीचे एक है तो एक ऊपर है, एक नीचे है तो एक ऊपर है, like that. So I think I'll put 4. Let's see. And then so we'll cut 8 slices of bread like this. पतला पतला बेल के, your platform has to be very clean, एकदम स्वच्छ करके, और ये ऐसे ब्रेड बनता, ऐसे देखो रोटी जैसा हो गया, देखो. That's how you do it. So I'll do all of them and then I'll come back. Okay. Now everything is ready and she forgot to say Jai Ma to all of you. So she's saying it. Jai Ma. Jai Ma, Jai Ma. Now, everything is ready. So, 1 minute. Red sauce, white sauce, the vegetables, the bread and the cheese. I've grated mozzarella and processed cheese. दोनों साथ में हैं. अभी हम लोग इसको assemble करेंगे. पहले थोड़ा ग्रीस करके रखिए ट्रे को, ताकि नीचे नहीं चिपके. एंड पहले इसमें रेड सॉस डालते हैं. डन. और इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा डाल के ऐसे स्प्रेड करो. She's doing it. And I'm supervising. बस इतना स्प्रेड करो पहले, फिर अगर जरूरत है तो ज्यादा फिर डालो, फटाफट करो और डालो। द बॉटम लेयर इज रेड सॉस, और डालो, डालो। एक मिनट, थोड़ा कम है, इट स्मेल्स सो गुड, आई कांट टेल यू। इसके ऊपर व्हाइट सॉस थिक है, देखिए, तो उसको थोड़ा हिला के ऐसे व्हाइट सॉस डाल दीजिए और इसको स्प्रेड करना है। वनीता स्प्रेड करो। स्प्रेड। आप है ना 4 स्लाइस यहां लगाओ, 1 2, दूसरा लगाओ। I'm showing her what to do because she does all the cleaning and things like that, you know, kitchen decoration सब कुछ यही करती है, इसलिए मैं इसको बोल रही थी कि मैं दिखाऊंगी अभी। Then you can put red sauce on this. Let's put red sauce. इसके ऊपर डालो, spread it out. sauce डालो, एक एक डाल दो, स्प्रेड कर दो, पूरा प्लेट ढक जाना चाहिए, ब्रेड नहीं, सब पूरा, हाँ, सब जगह से ब्रेड दिखना नहीं चाहिए। Then you take your vegetables that we have cooked and spread everywhere. पूरा ढक दो। थोड़ा सा मैं उसको सेव कर रही हूँ ऊपर ड्रेसिंग के लिए, इतना सा मैं सेव कर रही हूँ, ठीक है। अभी इसको थोड़ा मिक्स करना पड़ेगा, स्प्रेड। ये हुआ, उसके बाद हम चीज डालेंगे, both the cheeses, हम processed as well as mozzarella, दोनों मिक्स करके, ठीक है। अभी इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ये डालिए, हाथ तो यूज करना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा। उसके बाद और ब्रेड, 1 2 3 4 सीधा। अभी रेड सॉस डालो, रेड ढक देना, सिर्फ ब्रेड नहीं, पूरा सब कुछ ढक दो। अभी इसको मिक्स करो, वो रहने दो, इसको मिक्स करो। अभी पूरा चीज डालो, पूरा इसको कवर करो। Then what you do is switch on your oven once this is done. ये होने के बाद ये जो थोड़ा मैंने बचाया था, I am using it as a dressing. Cover the whole thing. Now it's done. That's it. And now we'll bake it in the oven, and then once it is baked at 180 degrees, you have to bake it. And once it is done, then I will show you. Now see, it is done, and we're taking it out, and we're showing it to you. See how lovely it looks. You see that? So it's ready. Now all you have to do is serve. You know, you cut it into pieces, and then put it in your serving plate. And you can have it. It's so yummy. Saw it? So this is it. Try this lasagna with the bread. It's yummy, and it looks so yummy that I want to have it now. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti 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 बोलो शिशिमानंदमय की जय. आज का लजानिया विद ब्रेड, यमी. सो ट्राई इट. थैंक यू.